Hi, this is Marty from Photoshop Arthouse. Photoshop just released a powerful new feature that with just one click automatically blends and matches the color, brightness, contrast, lighting, and shadows from two different sources. Notice how well it matches the light direction and color in the original photo. The light source is coming from the left, casting shadows to the right. Look at how well the dinosaur's head and back are lit properly, as well as the left sides of its legs. There's even subtle reflected light on its chest. Right now, this feature is only available in Photoshop Beta, so if you haven't downloaded it, open the Creative Cloud app, go to Home, Apps, and Beta, then download it. By the way, if you ever want to see the new features in a version, just click this laboratory flask icon and everything new is listed here. To place an object into the photo, press V for the Move tool, drag the object onto the Photos tab, and without releasing your mouse or pen, drag it down and release. Before resizing the object, let's lower the opacity so we can see the background. Press Ctrl or Command T to open the Transform tool. Go to a corner and drag it in or out. To reposition it, just move it. Then press Enter or Return. Set the opacity back to 100%. If you don't see the contextual taskbar, right-click outside your canvas and choose it from the flyout menu, or go to Window and enable it here. Click Remove Background. Then Harmonize. Photoshop uses AI to analyze both images and automatically blends the object into the photo. We'll get 3 variations. Just choose the one you like best. I like this one, so I'll delete the others to save file size. Want more variations? Click Generate to see 3 new ones. Personally, I think the first version looks best. This is Marty from Photoshop Arthouse. Thanks for watching.